Good morning, students. It is assumed that the things learned in last class are understood. Hope you got an idea about Inkscape Vector Graphic Editor. Let's start this session with an activity, Saucer Creation. To open Inkscape, click on Application, Graphics, Inkscape Vector Graphic Editor. Inkscape window opened. Using a variety of tools on the Inkscape software, light and shade can be skillfully blended to give a 3D effect to 2D images. To remove the page border from the canvas, click on File menu, Document Properties. Document Properties dialog box appears. Remove the tick mark from the option Show Page Border under Display option. Then click on Close button. Now the page border removed from the canvas. Draw a saucer with the help of the activities in the Inkscape software. For that, draw an oval horizontally using Create Circles tool. Tools to remove color, give color, linear gradient, radial gradient, opacity and blur are available in the Fill and Stroke window. To open Fill and Stroke window, click on Object menu, then select Fill and Stroke. Fill and Stroke dialog box appears. You can use the tools in the Stroke Pane tab to give color to the outline of an object. There are many facilities available in each options. To remove the color of an object, click on the No Fill option under the Fill tab. Now the color removed from the object. To color the object, click on the Fill tool. Then change the color using Color Palette. Then click on the Radial Gradient button to change the gradient color of the image using Gradient button. Gradient button is under the toolbox. There are 3 nodes selection appears. 2 nodes are in the outline and 1 in the center of the object. Click on the outline node to give 3D outlook for the image. Give dark color to the outline node and white color to the center node. Then drag the nodes to change the position of the gradient color of the image. After changing the position of the gradient, click on the Move tool and select the object. To create a duplicate of the image, click on Edit menu, Duplicate option. The duplicate image created. To reduce the size of the duplicate image by using the nodes. Reduce the size of the duplicate image. Then click on Gradient option. Gradient selection appears. Appears the gradient portion of the duplicate image. Select the outer node of the gradient, then change into white color, then center node change into dark color. Then adjust the position of the gradient color. Then select the Move tool. or selection tool. To give more attraction to the object, take a duplicate copy of the first object using Edit Duplicate option. Then change the fill color into first selected color. First color of the object. Then again create a duplicate copy. Change the color of the duplicate image. Now the two objects are displayed. Then reduce the size of the duplicate image. Then select the objects by using Shift key. Press and hold Shift key and then select the images one by one. Click on Path menu, Difference option. Now the objects are changed into a transparent object. To reduce the size of the differenced object by pressing both Shift and Ctrl key. Drag the transparent object into the center part of the first object. To make a base for the object, draw a horizontal oval and then change the color into the color of the first object. Then move the object into the base of the first object. Click on the Object menu, then select Lower or Lower to Bottom option. To change the size of the base portion appropriate to the first object. There are 3 or more images. Change the position of an image will affect all the objects. To avoid this problem, select all the objects and click on Object menu, Group option. All the objects are formed to become one object. Now, saucer creation completed.